Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I want to discuss the exercise of simple interest. Okay, exercise 12.2 will discuss it. So you should get ready everyone with your copies. Okay, and easy questions are there. Basically our formula we know that SI equal to PRT by 100. That is the main thing, main formula. So with the help of this formula we will solve all the problems. Clear? Sometimes we will use that formula also, amount equal to principal plus interest. That also we know that. Okay, two formulas basically here. So from two formulas we will solve all the problems. Okay, so let's start now. So see first question, read the question everyone. Question number 1 is telling here, in how many years will 7320 amount to 13176 at the rate of 8% per annum. Okay, so question is telling what, sir? In how many years? In how many years? That means we'll find out what, sir? We find out t. Okay, we find out, sir, t. Clear? Okay, next what? Given what, sir? Rupees 7320. That is what? That is principal 7320. Amount also given. Amount what, sir? Amount rupees 13,176. Okay, and rate percent given. Rate percent what, sir? 8%. We find out, sir, what? T. Okay, question clear? So now see, we need what, sir? I need. I means what, sir? SI. I means SI we need. SI equal to what, sir? I told you amount minus principal. Clear? Just subtract it. Amount how much, sir? 13,176 minus 7,320. Okay, so do subtraction here. 6 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, and 1 minus 3 not possible. 11 minus 3 what? 8. Okay, clear? And 12 minus 7, 5. 5,850. I'm just writing that subtraction 1. 13,176 and 7,320. 6, 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 3 not possible. 11 minus 3, 8. And here 2. 12 minus 7, 5. 5, 8, 5, 6. Yes, this one will be 6 because 6 minus 0, no? 6 minus 0, 6. 5,856. Okay, so now put the values. So our formula we know that SI equal to P into R into T by 100. No, clear or not? Clear? Okay, so now we need what, sir? T. So we find out T. So T equal to, that means what, sir? T equal to SI into 100 by P into R. Clear? Clear or not? Just put the values. Put the values everyone. SI how much, sir? SI we are getting rupees 5856. Okay, into 100 into 100. And P, sir, how much? P 7,320. 7,320 into the rate of interest what, sir? 8. Okay, now cancel. Do cancellation. See here 10 10 will be cancelled. 10 10 will be cancelled. Okay, here 10 means 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. Okay, clear? Next see 5856. No, this one divisible by 2. Okay, this one divisible by 2. Otherwise I am writing here, that is better. 5856 into 100 by, that is what, sir? SI by 7320 into 8. That is the thing was there. So 10 will be cancelled here, 10, and here 10 will be cancelled. 2 5 are 10 and 2 4 are 8. Okay, clear? Okay, so next 4 and this 5856, that one also will be cancelled. Okay, so see 4 1 are 4, 18, 4 4 are 16, 2 remainder 2, 25, 4 6 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 1 6, 4 4 is 16. Okay, clear or not? Okay, next 732, no, 732, yeah, 732 and 1464, 732 2 is 1464, because see 7 2 is 14 and 32 is 64, 2. So 2 into 5 what? 10 will come. Oh no, sorry, here we find out t, sorry, here that one will be t. Okay, that one will be t. So means 10 years we are getting. T equal to, we are getting what, sir? 10 years. Clear or not? Clear. So therefore the required time is, therefore the required, just a minute, so see, therefore the required time is time is 10 years. Clear everyone? Okay, next question, see question number 2. Question number 2 is telling here, what sum of money will yield an interest of 4137 in 6 years at the rate of 7% per annum. Question clear? What sum of money will yield an interest of 4137 in 6 years at the rate of 7% per annum? Okay, question clear? So we find out what, sir? What sum of money means? Principal we find out P. Okay, interest given, interest means here SI given, SI what, sir? Rupees 4137. Okay, time given 6 years and rate of interest are also given 7%. Clear or not? Understood? Next we find out what's our principal. Okay, so at first I am writing the formula SI equal to P into R into T by 100. Clear or not? Clear. Next, so we find out what, sir? P we find out, so P equal to, we can write what, sir? SI into 100 by R into T. Clear or not? Clear. Okay, next put the values only. SI how much, sir? Rupees 4137 into 100. R, sir, 7%, put it, and time 6 years. Okay, so these are the things, means given data, just put it and just now do the calculation or cancellation like that. Okay, so what to do here, sir? See 4137, no, 4137, this one cancel, we can cancel it by 5, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 15, yes, by 3 also possible. See, I am doing here. So 100 divided by 2 will get 50, okay, and 2 3 is 6. Clear? Now this 3 and 4137 we can cancel it, 3 1 is 3, okay, remainder 1 and 1 11, 3 3 is 9, 2 remainder, 2 3 is 23, 3 7 is 21. Okay, again 2, remainder 2 and 7 27, 3 9 are 27, 1379, 1379. Okay, clear or not? Okay, next 1379, that one we can cancel by 7. Check it once. 7 on the 7, 6 remainder 6, 6 7 67, 6 7 67, 67 means 6 9 is 63, 4 49. Yes, we can do it. So this 7 and 1379 we can cancel it. 7 on the 7. Okay, clear? Next 6 remainder 6 7 67, 6 7 67 here, 7 9 is 63, 4 remainder 4 9 49, 4 in the 49, 7 7 is 49. Okay, so 197 we are getting 197 into 50, 197 into 50. Okay, so do multiplication everyone. Just do multiply by 5 only at first. 0 later will put. 5 7 is 35, 5 3 carry, 5 9 is 45, 45 plus 3 48, 8 4 carry, 5 1 is 5. Okay, 5 1 is 5 plus 4 9. Clear? 5 7 is 35, 5 3 carry, and 19 5 is 95 plus 3 98, and 1 0 will come, that means 9850, 9850. That is the answer, that is the principle. Clear? Therefore the required sum is rupees 9850. Okay, 9850. Understood? Clear everyone? So this is the question number 2. Next is question number 3. Easy questions are here. Basically easy, all questions are easy, not hard, so you can practice it also. Sometimes we are getting rate of interest we are finding, sometimes we are finding principal, sometimes we are finding what, time. Like that way we will solve all the problems. Okay, but basically from our main formula means SI equal to PRT by 100. That is the main formula. Okay, next question number 3. See question number 3, read the question. At what rate of interest means we find out what, R will rupees 5600 amount to rupees 7168 in 4 years. Question try to understand. At what rate of interest we find out what, sir? R we find out rupees 5600. Okay, that is what, sir? That is principal. Amount 7168, that is amount in 4 years. So these are the conditions given in the question. Okay, just write the question, write the at first datas, whatever datas are given here, just write it. Okay, so we find out what, question number 3, we find out the rate percent means rate of interest, question mark, principal given, amount given, time given. Clear? So see, principal 5600, amount 7168, okay, and time 4 years. Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay, so now how to do, sir? At first write the main formula. SI equal to PRT by 100 P into R into T by 100. Okay, that is what, that is SI. We find out what, sir? R. Okay, so R equal to SI into 100 by P into T. Okay, by P into T. Okay, just now put the values. SI how much, sir? SI don't know, find out. SI equal to amount minus principal. I told you. Amount how much? 7168. 7168 minus 5600. 5600. Okay, so 68 and 11 minus 6 5. Okay, 11 minus 6 5 and 6 minus 5 1. Rupees 1568. That is SI. 1568 into 100, and principal rupees 5600 into time 4 years. Clear? Now cancel. Do cancellation. Here 2020 will be cancelled. Okay, next 1568 divisible by 4. 4 3 is 12, 3 36. Yes, possible. 4 3 is 12, 3 remainder, 3 6 36, 4 9 is 36, and 4 2 is 8. 392. Okay, 392. Okay, clear? Okay, so here 0 already cancelled, so 56 we are getting here 392. Okay, 392, this one divisible by 8 possible, otherwise 7. 7 take 7 5 ja, yes 7 possible. 7 8 ja 56 and 7 5 ja 35. 35 4, remainder 4 4 42, 7 6 ja 42. Okay, and 8 7 ja 56, directly we are cancel. Okay, so that means 7%. That means 7%. That is the rate of interest. Okay, that is the rate of interest. Okay, so at the what rate of interest? So therefore answer will be what? Therefore the rate of interest, the rate of interest is 7%. 7%. Clear? Clear or not? I hope clear. Next question. Question number 3 finished. Next question number 4. Read the question. In how many years will rupees 3650 amount to rupees 4526 at the rate of 6% per annum? In how many years? That means we find out T. Will 3650, that is what principal, amount to 4526 at the rate of 6% per annum. At the rate of 6% per annum. That means we find out T. Okay, principal given, amount given, and rate of interest given. Same type of problem given here. Okay, Okay, just I am writing, I am just little bit erasing, that is better because space problem. You can try also, no problem. Easy question. At first write the data whatever is given in the question. Clear? So question number 4, read the question at first everyone. So we find out what, sir? Question number 4, we find out t. Sorry, we find out, sir, what? T. Next, principal given 3650, amount 4526, 4526, and rate of interest are 6%. Okay, so we find out what's at t. At first I am writing the formula SI equal to P at t by 100, P into R into T by 100. Clear? Clear or not? So we find out what's at t. So t means we can write what's at t means we can write SI into 100 by P into R. Clear or not? P into R. Just we need what? SI need, but SI is not here. So SI formula what, sir? SI equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. So do subtraction. 4526 minus 3650. So do subtraction here. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 2 minus 5 not possible. That means 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay, that is what? 7. Clear? Next 4. 4 minus 6 not possible. 14 minus 6, 8. Okay, so 876 we are getting. 876 we are getting. Okay, 4526. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, 876 we are getting. That is what, sir? Principal. That is what? That is interest. Just put it. Just put it here. So SI equal to, we are getting what, sir? 876. Write it. 876. Okay, 876 we are getting into 100 by principal. How much, sir? Principal 3650 into the rate of interest 6. Okay, clear? Cancel it. 1 0 1 0 will be cancelled. 1 0 1 0 will be cancelled. 5 2 is 10. Okay, 5 7 is 35. 5 6 35. 1 1 15. 5 3 is 15. 73. Okay, next 2 3 is 6. Next 2 3 is 6. Okay, 2 3 is 6. Next 3 and 876 we can cancel it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, remainder 2, 2 7 ja 27, 2 and 7 27, 3 9 ja 27 and 3 2 ja 6, 292 and 73 4 ja 73 4 ja 292, because see 73 into 4, no, 4 3 ja 12, 2 1 carry 1 carry 1 carry, 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 1 29, that means 4 we are getting. Okay, that means 4 years, 4 years. Okay, 4 years we are getting. So that is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? I hope clear. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 already finished. Okay, and 5 6 7 8 4 problems later we will do. Clear? Later we will do. So what is your homework, sir? Exercise 12.2, 1 to up to 4 already finished, and 5 to up to 8 you should try it. Okay, 1 to up to 4 that is already finished. You have to practice and show me. Practice and submit. Okay, practice and submit. Clear? And 5 to 8 also you have to practice, you have to try. That is the main thing, and even in problem you input, I will help you. Clear? So that's all everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.